I'd like to thank KEOSAA for going through and sending me this 6-pack of replaceable Sonicare toothbrush tops in exchange for an honest review. These are really nice and solid. You can see here that they are very nice and smooth and soft, and they go through and reconnect no problem. I'll show you that in a moment, but you can get a good close-up and you can see the quality of them. And again, these will work with Philips Sonicare replacements. They're going to be soft with round bristles, and they're very gentle on everything, so you don't have to worry about that. Let me go through and show my wife going through and putting this on and getting some teeth brushed by my son. And here we go. We're just going to go through and open it up, and we're going to go ahead and attach it. It's very simple to go through and attach. Just go ahead and put it in, push it down, and it stays in. And now you're good. You can go through and brush your teeth. So we're going to do that with my son. Just throw some toothpaste on there, and then we're just going to add water. This is really good because I know the ones that we had were really going bad because, you know, sometimes the kids really brush their teeth. They might even bite them or anything like that, and it could really fray the bristles. So it's nice to have new replacements often, and getting a 6, 8, or 10 pack, that's even great because you just buy it once and forget about it for a while. And you can see here, he's doing a great job for the camera. Really appreciate him helping us out with the video, especially in something that's not his favorite thing to do. But he did a great job, and I wanted to go through and show this off. I definitely recommend these. Can't go wrong.